Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I've been out for a while. Had some bad luck. By the way, you'll notice the picture quality and audio quality are going to be a whole lot better. I flipped my canoe. I lost my GoPro. I lost my Tilly hat, hence a brand spanking new Tilly hat of exactly the same model because they're awesome. Anyway, I'll need to do a review on that sometime. But had some bad luck. Went down the second best stretch of smallmouth river that I know and caught 3 fish. That's it, caught 3 fish. Had a really rough, I got sick. Anyway, doesn't matter, guys. I'm back with a new camera and I'm gonna go fish place I have not been here. I actually though started a video up there about a quarter mile. Video I did a couple years ago, but I haven't been down below that point 25 years. So we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what it's like. It'll be very interesting. The brown trout are spawning, I think, and there's miles of river, miles of wild trout water down below me. Theoretically, these brown trout will come up here where the water's smaller, and got a chance of catching some really nice brown trout. But anyway, it's just good to get out here on a nice mid-October day. It's about 75 degrees. I'm gonna wet wade, and that got me. Anyway, see you on the river in a minute. Can you say low and slow? It's gonna be a leaf storm. Oh yeah, oh, that water looks good. That water looks good. Ah! All right, we're at the spot. This road is actually closed off. Has been closed off ever since I've known about it. We got ourselves pockets and runs, and just got a little feeder, which I ain't gonna think I'm gonna go up there. I think we'll start here. We'll get in here somewhere and fish up. Man, that looks good. Now the hard part, getting down there without breaking my neck. Derek, what you gonna start off with? I thought about it very hard. I'm using a yellow jacket. Same fly that was already tied on. Yep. I really thought about it. I had to hike in about 2 miles to get down here. So theoretically, I'm the only one down here. I got it all to myself. Guys, with the new the new camera, I got 2 extra charged batteries ready to go. No sitting on the bank for 30-45 minutes recharging the camera. I take the battery out, put the fresh one in, and keep going. I'm so excited. Beautiful water. Oh yeah, there you go. I came up and sipped it. And I thought my net was in the car, and it wasn't. It's at home somewhere, or else I lost it. Not bad, little brown trout. About what I was expecting. Oh man, they're beautiful. Look at that, guys, look at that. Nice, nice, nice. I love me some brown trout. I do. I love my brookies, but I love a brown trout too. Man, he came up and sipped it. Came up and sipped it. But we got creeks here and there. They got a good population of brown trout. They have a tendency. He was small, okay? He's about 6 inches on a good day. Same thing. Came up and sipped it. Came up and just hit it. I don't even think he didn't take it in his mouth. May not be exactly what they want. Problem is, I caught that one. I'm very loath to change. Skating it, and he came up. But he didn't quite take it. I don't know if he missed it. Twitched it right. Oh no! No! I failed him. I failed him. He ain't coming back for that. Oh man. It should have been right there. Boom. Right there. That's it. That was it. What you doing, fish? What are y'all doing? Okay. I'm gonna switch flies here in a minute. If I don't get another bite up till that rock. Dang. Yeah, I'm gonna change some flies here. Oh, no, we got one. Come up and sipped it. Not a big one, smaller than that one I've caught. You got a little bow? You got a little bow. I could actually get the slam in this creek. In the upper part, I have caught brookies before. So I could, so I got a rainbow and a brown. Oh, there. Tree's in the wrong place, man. Oh golly, I gotta go get it. Oh shit, okay. All right, I'm back to normal now. Oh yeah. So Derek is back to his old ways. Yeah, buddy. Look at all that trouble. Put on this midge, and they ain't gonna come up and hit it. They quit rising though. While I was back there, they just quit. I'm not supposed to do that. How you doing?
Got the momentum going.
Hey, my stealth is working.
Not bad. Sorry about that.
That's okay. That's okay. I caught one decent one dink, and had a couple of bites, but now I'm just fishing dry flies. That's about all I do.
I thought about 5.
And do what?
I thought about 5 dinks.
Yeah.
Nothing
Well, do you fish up and they're just coming?
I hiked down. I tried to find. I marked the point way down that way. So this morning I tried to get there, but then I was like, I'm way too far into this. Like,
I've done that before. Went across the bridge, go down, and then just try to go cross country.
Yeah, that's what I tried to do, and then I was like, oh,
there is actually a trail, okay? Right at the bridge, right before you cross the bridge, you'll see a nothing trail, and it goes down, crosses a little feeder creek, and then it goes up. I've never been down it, okay, but I saw it on all trails.
I heard somebody up there earlier.
And you can go, and it leaves the river for just a little bit, and then goes right back to the river and follows the river all the way down to I've struggled today. There goes another one right there. You take my lead or not? I think that fish hit my lead or not. Right here. There's at least, I think, 2 rising right here in front of me. They are not having any of this. Wait a minute. They're on those little black stone flies. What happened? Bet you anything. Got the odd fish that'll hit this yellow jacket. Okay, I think they're hitting little black stone flies. So I'm gonna put a little gray caddis with a black body, about a size 18, maybe a 20. I think it's an 18. That little midge I threw doesn't look anything like one of those downwing stoneflies. It worked. It did work. Not bad. Not like that first one. Rainbow? It is. Oh, came off. Oh, look at this. Chubby Chernobyl, I think. I don't know. That was a decent fish too, dang it. I meant to bring my net. There's a possibility of good fish. Left it at the house. That was a decent trout right there. It came up and nailed this. Thing is, the little black stoneflies, you cannot see them. You will not see them unless you're sitting on the bank and they crawl on you. I don't think I've seen them hatch this early. So that's what I didn't think of it. I said, you know, I'm thinking it's too early for the little gray stones. I mean, oh, oh shoot. Yeah, they're on stoneflies. Man, I just learned how to keep the fish on the hook. Gotta learn how to land fish. Derek. There we go. There we go. I figured them out, guys. Figured them out. Took me a while. Man, I should have brought my net. That's probably about average for this little creek. It's about average. A lot of them that size. There are some bigger ones, as we have seen. They just come up and nail that thing, man. I think I got the fly. I've said that before. Ain't been wrong. Yeah, about the time it starts, the sun starts going behind that mountain. About the time I figure them out. It's okay though. It's okay. I like that. There's a brown. Golly, fish. Cut it out. He says, I know you're using 6X. I think I can break it. Smallest one so far that I've caught landed. Oh man, I told him way too many. That wind can quit any second. Blows this light leader and this little fly all over the place. There we go. Good spot for one to feed. Spot for a leaf too. Oh, nice. Oh man, yeah. Oh man, story of the day. No kidding. That was a bigger. That was bigger than anything I've caught. That was a 13-incher. You got to be. I don't know if he hit it or not. I think I pulled it out of his mouth because I saw him. Like a brand new fly fisherman does. I think it's two right there. One broke off. One I just flapped. I think I just pulled the fly out of his mouth. They're coming out. He came up slow, real slow. Look at the leaves. How in the world are they going to see that fly? They do. I'll tell you, it's amazing. All that stuff in the water, and they'll still come up and hit it. Come to find out, my hook was bent out a little bit. Yeah, it was. I think I got hung on a leaf right after I tied it on. Right after I tied it on. There we go. There's got to be one in here. Well, I know there's one in here. They might have quit. The sun's gotten off the water. They have quit. They are done. Stoneflies probably quit hatching. Yeah, I think so. About it.